busy. Hi guys, I'm Anna. I'm the global artist here at e.l.f. Cosmetics, and today I'm going to show you how to do a simple monochromatic look. I've already prepped your skin, and I've used our cotton candy 4-piece face and eye brush kit. And now we're going to go ahead and go into our eyeshadow duo set, which is really great. So let's start with the coppery metallic shade, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay down the color closest to her lash line and moving it upward into her crease area. So you want the depth of color to resonate really closely to the lash line, and then you want it to diffuse upward. And if you feel that you need another brush to help blend that up, use a nice fluffy brush and get you that nice soft diffused look. And I'm gonna just do the inner corner, look up, with the shimmer. And then the matte side, what we're gonna do is we're gonna line her bottom lash line with it just to give it a nice dimension. And then just to finish the eyeshadow look, we're gonna use our Plump It Up mascara. And if it's hard for you to get in your eye space, what you can do is actually bend the brush like this and then go ahead and do your mascara. And if you have any fallout, take your damp sponge and then just dab it off, and it will literally just pick up that excess powder. Next, to keep this monochromatic look, we're gonna go in with our primer-infused blush in Always Rosy and just touch the apples of her cheeks. So for this, you wanna start off very lightly. You can always build the color. It's harder to take away, but it's easier just to add on. And then to finish off this look, we're gonna use our 5-piece You Better Not Pout lip set. I'm gonna use 2 different colors from this, lay it down, and then use a shimmery to top it off. So I'm using Praline Lip Plumping Gloss for this base color. And then we're gonna top it off with this lip lacquer, which has the sparkly shades that are more close to this type of a tone. So let's give her that little glitz and glam. So there you have it, a simple, modern, monochromatic look with just a few products and a few steps.